Hello boys and girls, welcome to Miles of Smiles with Teacher Natsie. So today we have a science lesson and we are talking about living and non-living things. So how do you know if something is living? If something is living, it can breathe and it grows and it can move and it needs food, it can reproduce and also it can die. An example of something that is living is a cow. I have a model of a cow here with me on the table. A cow is living because it can breathe and it grows and it can move and it needs food and it can reproduce. To reproduce is when a mommy cow like this one gives birth to a young one, to a calf. That is to reproduce. Like how your mommy gave birth to you. So me and you, we are also examples of living things. I hope you got that one, boys and girls. And how do you know if something is non-living? Non-living things, they are usually things that are made by people, and those things, they cannot breathe. Some of them can move, but most of them, they cannot move. They need you to move them. Non-living things, they don't need food, and non-living things, they don't reproduce. Alright, boys and girls. An example of a non-living thing is a car. A car is a non-living thing. We want to find out if a car is really a non-living thing. So we will answer these questions. Does a car breathe? Yes, it does breathe. I'm sure, boys and girls, if you have a car at home, you've seen that pipe which is at the back. A car can breathe using that pipe. You see the smoke which comes out there. The car will be breathing. Yes, it does breathe, but does it grow? No, it doesn't grow. Does it move? Yes, it moves. But does it eat food? No, it doesn't eat food. Does it reproduce? No, it doesn't reproduce. Does it die? No, it doesn't die because it can be fixed. So it makes it a non-living thing. A car is a non-living thing. So I have some more things with me here on the table, and we want to find out if they are living things or they are non-living things. I'll start with my flower here. So you are going to help me out, boys and girls. Let's find out if it's living or it's non-living. Does a plant breathe? Yes, it does breathe, boys and girls. Though we can't see it, it does breathe. It gives us the oxygen that we breathe, boys and girls. What about growing? Does it grow? Yes, the plant grows. It starts off as a tiny small plant and it grows this big. Does it move? No, it doesn't move. Does it need food? Yes, it needs food. The manure that's inside there is the food for the plant. Does it reproduce? Yes, it does. All those seeds that we plant in the garden, they come from another plant. So it does reproduce. And does it die? Yes, it dies at a certain point. It dies. So, boys and girls, a plant is a living thing. What about a stone? We have a stone right over there. Is it living or it's non-living? Let's see. Can a stone breathe? No, it can't. Does it grow? No, it doesn't. Does it eat food? No, it doesn't eat food. Does it die? No, it doesn't. Does it give birth to a young one? No, it does not. So a stone is a non-living thing. Right. What about a dolphin right over there? I know you know a dolphin and you see it on the TV and in the cartoons. Is it living or it's non-living? Right? A dolphin, can it breathe? Yes, it breathes. Does it grow? Yes, it does. It grows. Does it move? It definitely moves and swims in the water. Does it reproduce? Yes, it does. It gives birth to another dolphin. And does it die? Yes, when it grows old, it also dies. So a dolphin is a living thing. It lives in the water. Then we get over here. I have something over here. It's a ball. Is a ball a living thing or a non-living thing? Let's find out. Can it breathe? Nope. Does it grow? No. Does it move? No. Does it eat food? No, it doesn't. Does it reproduce? It does not. And does it die? No, it doesn't. So a ball is a non-living thing. And then we come over this side. We have a grizzly bear over there. Is it living or it's non-living? Does it breathe? Yes, it does. Does it grow? Of course it does. Does it move? It can even run so fast. Does it reproduce? Yes, it gives birth. And does it die? Of course it dies, boys and girls. So it is a living thing. I'm sure we are done with all the living things over here. We talked about the mommy cow and the baby cow. Then we come over here, we have a plastic bottle. Let me put it over here so you can see. Our plastic bottle. Can this plastic bottle breathe? Does it have a nose? No, it doesn't. Does it move? No, it doesn't. Does it grow? Not at all. Does it eat any food? No. Does it reproduce? No, it doesn't. So it's a non-living thing. And then over here, I have a telephone. I'm sure you have it at home or you've seen one before. Does it breathe? No, it doesn't. Does it grow? No. Does it move? It's always in the same place, boys and girls. Does it reproduce? No, it doesn't. Does it die? No, it doesn't. It can always be fixed. So a telephone is a non-living thing. So boys and girls, we were talking about living things and non-living things. And I hope you understood the difference. What I want you to do for me at home, I need you to take pictures. If you have a dog at home, that is a living thing. If you have chickens at home, that is a living thing. If you have a car at home, that is a non-living item. So you can take as many pictures and send me. I want to see you guys showing me living things and non-living things. I hope you enjoy doing the search for all these things from me, Teacher Natsie. Bye-bye.